Unraveling the Meaning of Progeny, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a very interesting topic in store for you. We are going to explore the meaning of the word progeny. This might be a new word for some of you, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Progeny is a noun that refers to the offspring or descendants of a person, animal, or plant. When we talk about someone's progeny, we are talking about their children, and possibly even their grandchildren and great-grandchildren. For example, if you hear someone say, "She is proud of her progeny," it means that she is proud of her children and descendants. It's also worth noting that progeny can refer to a single descendant or multiple descendants. The word itself does not specify a number. 2.1 Human progeny. When used in the context of humans, progeny refers to one's children and future generations. It can be used to describe both biological and adopted children. 2.2 Animal and plant progeny. In the animal kingdom and the world of plants, progeny is used to refer to offspring and future generations as well. For example, a dog's progeny would include her puppies, and a tree's progeny would include its seeds or seedlings. There are several synonyms for progeny, including offspring, descendants, and children. However, it's important to note that progeny has a more formal tone. It's often used in written English and formal speeches, rather than in everyday casual conversations. Let's go through some example sentences to see how progeny is used. 1. The old oak tree's progeny can be found scattered all around the forest. 2. The queen wished to see her progeny thrive and succeed her on the throne. 3. After many years of research, the scientist was finally able to see the progeny of his experiments. 4. The famous artist's progeny went on to become influential figures in the art world themselves. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning and usage of the word progeny. We hope that this video has shed light on this term and has added a new word to your English vocabulary. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.